friends, this is Dr. Shari from Natural Health and Yoga. I've been teaching yoga for more than 15 years and I'm going to demonstrate inversion pose. Inversion means placing your head down and your body up. So this movement improves circulation to the brain, improves memory, and balances the hormonal system. So I want you to do it correctly. It's important to practice this inversion pose correctly. I'm going to demonstrate the basic posture. Gradually, once you are prepared, you can try the advanced one and add more challenge to the posture. So what I want you to do, place your hands on the front of your mat. Place your knees 1 foot back. Make sure knees are directly underneath your hips. Once you're prepared for more challenge, pull the shoulders back, abs in. Let's come to the tip of right toes and take your right knee off the floor. When prepared, take your left knee off the floor. Breathe out. When prepared, press the heels down. Make sure feeling the stretch behind your knees is comfortable for you. Keep the belly in. Lift the chest up. Pull the shoulders away from ears. Make sure the back of head is in line with the spine. When prepared for more challenge, look at the front of your mat. Look 2 feet ahead of you. Breathe into the posture. Make sure enjoying the stretch from the tip of toes to the crown of head. This posture improves circulation to the brain. Breathe, helping your memory to improve. When prepared, let's lean forward, bend the knees, lower the knees down, breathe out, let the crown of head rest flat on the floor, soften, release the contractions, breathe out through the mouth, let the tension go. Let your whole body to be melted onto the ground. Soft, relax. Keep breathing. Child pose. This pose helps you feel grounded, safe and secure. Enjoy this moment.